Welcome to Emacs India. For a long time, all of you have been your panel, but due to unavailability of the option regarding this information, if you are unable to use it, then from today onwards, you will not need to manually call or give information to students by calling them for any important information regarding exams or fees. You can send message to all of your students through the options on your panel. So let's talk about it, how you can use these options. So for this, firstly, you have to open Emacs website and click on Center Login option. When you click on Center Login option, you will receive a page of dashboard here. In dashboard, there are three options are available. First one is notice for students. Second one is inbox. Third one is alert and updates. So firstly, you have to click on notice for student option. On notice for student option, as you can see, the three notice are available here that you already submitted to students. The next, if you want to provide a new notice to students, for this you have to click on add notice option and then you have to mention notice subject here. So notice subject is reminder, fee, then notice date, from when date you want to send this notice to the students. Select today's date here. Then you have to mention the notice for the students. So this is the notice for students that they have to submit their fees before 30th of this month. Then you also can change this information. You also can change the font of this complete details. Like you can select the different font for this, and you also can change the size of the content here, like 10, 12. You also can change the word color, and if you want to change background color of this word, you also can change this option. So as you can see, all these options which are available in Word and Notepad, you will receive here. Also, you can update the link for the payment. As you can see the option link, you can click here and mention your URL here. Then click on OK button. Then student link will be submitted here for fee. Let me show how this one. Also, if you want to change your link color, you can here change from here. Then if you want to upload student your scan code, through that students can pay through your QR code also through easily options. You also can use this. Mention use. Then also you can upload your QR code here through upload option. When you click on upload option, you have to choose your file that you want to upload. You can select your QR here. Then click on send it to the server. Then it's attached. You also can check here this preview. Then click on OK button. Now, when your final look is here, now you have to click on add notice option. When you click on add notice option, this notice added successfully, as you can see. Now, how you can check in student panel the same option, this notice? Let me show you. For this, firstly, let me show how student login is available here. In this option, there is options notice by head office and second notice by center head. So in notice by head office, from our side, we are providing daily basis 5 to 10 notifications for jobs. Let me show you. These kind of notifications you will receive here. When you click on this option, you will receive complete notice of the job, and also there is option of click here button. When students click on this option, they will receive a page completely. In that they have to fill their details and they can apply directly for jobs. They do not have to go any CSC center for that. And let me show you about notice for center from center head. When you click on net notice from center head, all the notices that you submitted For students, you will receive here in the bottom. As you can see, the last option, the last reminder you submitted is available here. Students can see easily through this. And let me inform you about the next option, the inbox option. For this, you have to open on your dashboard. There is option of inbox. When you click on inbox option, you will receive a page where all the informations via head office to you will receive, just like the latest information is regarding AI hard copy book. Just like that, if in future we have some updates or informations, you will receive here in your inbox option. So the third option is alert and updates. In alert and updates, all the information that you mentioned, you can see in the option of student login in dashboard page. In here you in mark your line, you will receive these options, these details. So for example, if we want to inform student about the practice test on the next due dates, so you can mention the message to the students for here. You also can change complete font of this message. Size also you can change, but if you select 10 or 11 to 12 size of this content, it will be better to show in students marquee line in dashboard. You also can change the complete content colors. You also can highlight some details if you want, then you can. Now, when you mention your details, then you have to click on save message option. When you click on save message option, you can check. Firstly, you have to refresh this one. You can check the details you mentioned about information for the students. They will receive in first page. Whenever they log in your panel, they will receive these details. And if you want to mention your details also here, like your number, now click on save message option. You will receive students panel. This option, this kind of option you will receive here. Now, if you want the same options in one line, you can change it through this, like, and then click on save message option. When you click on save message option, you again can refresh it. Now you can see the complete details mentioned in one line only. So, as we had discussed today about how you can provide all of your students a message via your banner. So just like that, if you have your some updates or feedback regarding your panel, please share them with us. Your feedback helps Emacs India get better. Thank you.